So now we are going to talk about the impact of deforestation. The impact of deforestation is widespread. The quality of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere. So what happens is, we all know that trees are responsible for consuming or taking in carbon dioxide and leaving out oxygen. Now what has happened is, because the population has increased so much, okay, and because in the factories and in the industries we are releasing lot of carbon dioxide, okay, and population has increased, તો શું થાય કે આપણે લોકોએ તે કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ રિલીઝ કરતા હોય. So what has happened is, since because of deforestation there are very few trees or very less trees, the carbon dioxide level is increasing a lot in the atmosphere, or it's increasing a lot around us. Now because of carbon dioxide, greenhouse effect happens. Now what is greenhouse effect? I don't know if you have done or not, but I will do it with you all anyways. Now this is the earth, okay, and this is the ozone layer, which is a protecting layer around the earth. The job of the ozone layer is that it takes in those rays of the sun which are good for the earth and removes or does not allow the harmful UV radiations to come and touch the earth, okay, because obviously these UV rays are harmful for earth, right? So those UV rays are not allowed to enter the earth, while the good rays or the rays which are good for the earth are allowed to come inside. This is the job of the ozone layer. Now because the ozone layer is proper, the temperature of earth will be very, very normal. Now because on earth, okay, carbon dioxide has increased, all the other gases have increased, because of that there is a hole in ozone layer. Hole એટલે બાખું પડી ગયું છે. Because of that, the UV rays which earlier were not allowed to enter the earth are now entering the earth and increasing the temperature of the earth very, very badly. So that is what is greenhouse effect, which is caused due to increase of carbon dioxide and other gases, okay. Otherwise what happens is the forest trees, when the forests are there, when trees are there, they take in as much as carbon dioxide as they can, and they release as much oxygen as they can. So because of that everything is balanced. But since there are no trees, there are no forest, level of carbon dioxide rises, which leads to the greenhouse effect, okay. With the removal of forest covers, the soil is eroded and the problem of farm fertility increases. So now what happens is, in the last chapter we did, right, that trees are responsible for holding on the soil. Whenever rains come, whenever the river is flowing, whenever the floods come, where the trees are, they make sure that they hold on to the soil and they don't let the soil go. They hold on to the soil from the roots that they have. Now because the forest is cut down, because the forests are not there anymore, all that soil is getting eroded or is going away, okay. And because of that, the fertility or the fact that a particular farm or a particular land is fertile, that it can grow good things, is not there anymore, અને પછી ઈ જમીન બંજર થઈ જાય. Nothing grows on that, okay. In forest of peninsular India is a peninsular country. Peninsular એટલે we are covered with water on three sides. That is, Gujarat side we have the Arabian Sea, south side we have the Indian Ocean, and on the east side we have Bay of Bengal. ઉપર આપણે હિમાલયા છે. So we are covered with water on three sides. That's why we are a peninsular country. The forest area has decreased largely due to deforestation. Mainly the forests have been getting removed off because of deforestation. Many living organisms have lost their abode, okay. So many living organisms or the wildlife which stay over there on those forests have lost their home. As a result, the wild animals approach the urban settlements in search of food and water, okay. So because of that, what has happened is that obviously we have cut down forests. So where will the lion, tiger and all these people go? They don't have a home. We took away their home. So they have started coming to the cities in order to search for food and water. More instances have recorded of carnivorous animals killing domestic animals of those of shepherd who live near the forest. So more and more incidents have increased where carnivorous animals meaning those animals which eat other animals for their survival, like lion, tiger, leopard, they eat other animals for their survival. So what has happened ki more incidents have increased where wild animals or carnivorous animals are attacking domestic animals. What are domestic animals? Your cow, sheep, goat, એ બધાને અટેક કરે છે, સ્પેશિયલી ઓફ શેપર્ડ્સ એટલે જે આપણે કહીએ ભરવાડ, રાઈટ? સો એ લોકોના એનિમલ્સને અટેક કરે છે because they live near the forest, right? So their animals are attacked and taken away. So that is what is impact of deforestation.